Good morning mga boss. Update, we're now on our 100 kilometer. 99.9 kilometers. So we are now on our 100 kilometers. So we survived the 30 kph, 30 kilometers per hour na speed. So we're in our 100 kilometers. So next is maximum speed muna namin is 40 kilometers per hour. So this is our soft break-in. Yun lang update for the Chevrolet Captiva 2025.